There's an odd belief in the music world that commercial success and artistic integrity are mutually exclusive, that scoring a massive hit somehow diminishes a musician's credibility among their peers. This notion is, of course, ridiculous. Countless legendary songwriters have dominated the top 40 without sacrificing their artistic reputation. Yet, the false dichotomy of hit versus art persists, haunting even the most celebrated artists. The Beatles, for instance, grappled with this very dilemma. Paul McCartney, in particular, once admitted that one of his most iconic songs, Yesterday, felt too successful. So much so that it altered his perception of the track. But how can a song be too successful? Isn't widespread acclaim the ultimate goal? In theory, yes, until it actually happens. For many songwriters, the reality of a smash hit can feel more like a burden than a triumph. McCartney observed that artists often develop an aversion to their own biggest songs. They chase success until they achieve it, only to find themselves recoiling from the very thing they once desired. Yesterday fell victim to this phenomenon. Despite McCartney's deep affection for the song, its overwhelming popularity made him question its place in his artistic legacy. While McCartney may not rank Yesterday as his personal favorite, it remains a timeless classic for millions of Beatles fans. Its haunting, guitar-driven melody has captivated listeners for generations. To most, its success is a testament to its brilliance, not a mark against it. But for McCartney, the song's ubiquity created an unexpected dissonance, proving that even the most beloved art can become a victim of its own triumph. This tension between popularity and artistic satisfaction isn't unique to McCartney. Many musicians wrestle with the weight of expectation after a career-defining hit. Some reject their biggest songs in set lists, while others grow weary of the public's fixation on a single track. Yet, in the end, a song's legacy belongs not just to its creator, but to the listeners who embrace it. And in the case of Yesterday, its enduring magic far outweighs any reservations its writer may have had. Perhaps the real lesson here is that success, no matter how overwhelming, doesn't diminish a song's artistry. It only complicates the artist's relationship with it. And that's a paradox worth remembering the next time a guilty pleasure hit comes on the radio.